how to add USDT to Metamask. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add USDT to your Metamask. Now, adding USDT to your Metamask allows you to manage this stable coin directly within your wallet, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to first of all obtain the USD contract address. And how do you do so? You can obtain the USD contract address by going to your web browser, clicking on the new tab, and then in the search box type coin market cap. All right, coin market cap, and then click enter, and then go ahead and select coin market cap. And then on the coin market caps page, you'll be able to copy USDT contract address. All right, you can see the different coins available here. So you can just navigate through to USDT and then copy the address. So once you have the address copied, go back to your MetaMask, and then on the MetaMask page, scroll down and click on export tokens. After clicking on export token, on the box displayed, you can see two options: search custom token. You just click on custom token, then paste the USDT contract address here. Then after pasting it, click on next, and after clicking on next, then the contract address that you've entered in will be verified. All right, and then after it has been verified, you will see the option add custom wallets. All right, so click on it, and then just like that, USDT will be added as a token to your MetaMask wallet. Just like that. It's very, very simple, right? So ensure you try this out today. Thanks for watching, and have a good day.